Hi, my name is Enoch Ponzo, and today I would like to speak to you about Kiese Technologies. I spent the last 11 years of my career working in the construction industry. 2 of those years working with subcontractor companies, and the last 9 working with Turner Construction, a general contractor. In 2018, I transitioned to business development from operations. And although I was given a CRM system, I still found myself using multiple Excel sheets to track information and track data and to share with my teams. This process is very painful and quite inefficient. So I knew something needed to be done about this. I reached out to multiple people I knew that are working in construction sales, internally at Turner and externally as well. And what I found is that we're all experiencing the same situation, and we're solving it all using Excel sheets and multiple platforms. So I knew something had to be done. As I spoke to a friend of mine who worked for a subcontractor company, she said the same thing to me. She said, "Well, what about us, the subcontractor companies? We don't have anything at all. We would like something like what you're talking about." And that's when Kiese was born. And as I did more research, what I found was that although CRMs are essential to growing and running a company in today's world, only a very small amount of construction companies actually use a CRM, approximately 5%. And that number is actually dominated by general contractors that actually use a CRM. When it comes to the subcontractor companies, a lot less of them actually use a CRM. And this has led to companies missing sales targets, not really fully understanding their data, which leads to poor business decisions, increased inefficiencies, as well as what I've witnessed in few projects I've worked on, companies actually defaulting. We went out and spoke to about 150 people and asked them why they weren't using a CRM or didn't like their current CRM system. And what we found was answers such as too confusing, very generic and difficult to customize, no construction specific data, and quite expensive. So we built the Kiese Business Manager platform using input from the construction industry. Unlike a standard CRM where you can manage your sales, manage relationships, track generic data, our platform does more in-depth data analysis and predictive analytics to provide our customers with a better understanding of their data and actually guide them through the process of how they can do better with their sales. Our product actually allows our customers to collaborate in the platform so they can work on proposals and share various information with one another using our system, as well as communicate with our chat. And as I experienced before, most CRM systems end at an award, and the project team is not given all the data and information and the knowledge that was acquired during the sales process for execution. Our system enables the sales team to be able to transfer all that information, all that knowledge to the project teams so that they can be able to execute according to plan. Since January, we brought in about 5 companies to be a part of our pilot. Some we brought last year and some early this year. And out of the 5 companies we brought in to our pilot, 4 decided to, we were able to convert them to paid customers. And currently we have 5 companies that are in our pilot. And as things are looking out, we're looking to convert them all to paid customers. And currently we're speaking with about 20 other companies that are showing interest in our platform and that we're looking to bring in either through pilot or as our paid customers. We're developing partnerships with the VRCA, which has about 500 plus general contractors and subcontractor companies as their members, as well as StarNet Alliance, which has 165 foreign contractors as members. I'm also looking to leverage my relationship with Turner. Turner is a global company all over the United States and Canada, and we're looking to leverage those relationships to be able to bring in more customers. Our customers love us, and this is what they have to say. One of our customers had to say is such, after years of different CRM platforms for role of business development, this is the best I've found. So we know we're up to something good. With our platform, our customers can manage opportunities and accounts, coordinate and work on proposals, and use our data to make better business decisions as they can get more in-depth data analysis and understanding of their actual data. There are a lot of CRM systems out there that are being used. And although most people I spoke with say they use Excel sheets only, this is a few that I was able to compile based on what people I spoke with were using. And you can see there are two CRM systems that are set up that are specific for construction. And you can see that although there's construction specific, they do not do exactly all the things that we're able to do with our platform. And why invest now? Construction technology is growing, and construction companies are embracing tech. And they see that increased efficiencies actually means more money in their pocket. And COVID has actually forced a lot of companies to collaborate remotely, as we can't be in the same place. And investment in construction technology has actually increased from 300% by 300% from 2017 to 2018, and it's projected to continue to increase. Our target market is we're targeting primarily small to medium-sized general contractor, as well as any subcontractor company. We hope to eventually target the big general contractors such as Turner, but at the moment, that's who we're targeting. As I stated before, there are about 1.1 million companies potential market, and about 550 companies that we believe that are in a serviceable market. And our market share is about 25,000 companies. We're currently averaging about 7 users per company, which we see that translating to about 175,000 users. Our revenue model is based on a $50 per month per user subscription. And with 25,000 companies and averages 175,000 users, we see ourselves doing about $8.7 million per month. Our vision and growth, we're growing based on areas where we have relationships, such as Vancouver, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Boston, and Toronto in 2021, and then expanding across Canada and the US East Coast and West Coast in 2022, and expand all across Canada and the United States by 2023. Our financials, we're looking at a loss of $56,000 this year, and a profit of $600,000 for 2022, and a profit of $4.2 million in 2023. And the jump between 2022 and 2023 in the usership is because we believe that we will form more partnerships. And as we're adding more salespeople to our team next year, they'll be able to cover more ground and acquire more customers. And our current customers are adding more people to the system as they find value with our platform. So we believe that this is going to enable for us to continue to grow. And as you can see, our team is made up of myself, Getinet, Anna, Joseph, and we have construction experience as well as product development experience, as you can see, and Anna, who brings in marketing experience. And we also have advisors who are experts in CRM systems and founders of company, as well as construction experts as well. Our roadmap: in January of this year, we launched our product. In May, I'm going full-time to go full-time for Kiese. And then May 2022, we're Getinet's looking to come full-time. And in June of 2022, we're looking to hire some salespeople to bring onto our team. Our financial ask is a $60,000 BYO Beyond Boss full grant prize, which enable us to fund for marketing, sales, operations, legal, and pay for salaries for our interns that we're looking to hire for the summer. At the moment, we're not accepting any outside funding from investors. However, we welcome any investors that would be willing to speak with us and give us input and guidance in this process. Our exit strategy revolves around being acquired. As you can see, there's some companies such as PlanGrid, Building Connected, and Pipe that were recently acquired, as well as Honest Building and BIM Anywhere. So we're looking to be acquired in the foreseeable future down the line by any of these companies. And with that, thank you so much for listening to me. I'll open it up to any questions you may have. Thank you.